Hey, what's up, guys? My name is Jonathan. Today is November 5. Right now it's Sunday, roughly about 3:30 p.m. afternoon. So for this video, I'm gonna quickly show you guys a boot that I bought online, and then I just got it right now. Actually, it came in yesterday, but I just opened it right now, so I want to quickly show you guys. So I got is the Alpinestars Tech 7. I got this. Well, anyway, quickly show you guys the box on the side. So this is a size 9, Tech 7, black, um, made in Thailand. So it has the writing on the side. There's nothing on this side. Just a regular handle on. So I just quickly show you guys, nothing on the other side. The back, nothing. Alright, so I got this from a website called BTO Sports. BTO Sports, okay. I also got a pair of socks as well from them. So yeah, the socks that I got was this. I don't remember exactly. Charcoal black large, so it's a large size. I've got the brand. I think this is made by Choi. Yeah, but anyway, there's the boot. So if you guys kind of wonder what Alpinestars Tech 7 look like, so let me quickly show you guys what else it came with it. Oh, so let's get this all stand up. Let's check one out. So size 7. I hope this thing will fit me. That's the only thing I worry about. You know, every time I look at the review online, they all say that, oh, it's to its size. So I normally wear size 9 on my regular shoes. Sometimes I could fit into size 8.5, but I usually prefer size 9. I got Tech 7 on the side right there. Logo, and then one on the back, and then you got your Alpinestars on the side, and then on the top right there. Sorry for being shaky. You know what? Let me set the camera down. Alright, guys. I set the camera down on the floor. So first thing first, let's open the socks. I gotta try this on. So this is supposed to be a long socks. Holy smoke, guys. Wow, this is long as hell. It's probably, yeah. I don't know if this is gonna work, but most likely I had to like flip around halfway like this and wear it. But anyway, in the meantime, I'm not gonna put this on. I'm pretty sure it'll fit me, but I think it's nice since winter is coming. So this thing is definitely gonna keep my feet warm. But in the meantime, because oftentimes I usually wear a short socks, so I'm gonna put a short one on, because just trying to keep it clean. So let's put a regular socks on right for now, and then let's grab the boots. So looking at it, on the media side, the inside is completely flat. It has a stitching of like a Tech 7 on it. These are like feel like a plastic type of thing. Like I say, you got the Alpine Tech 7 logo on the side. There's a lot of logos. There's also a Tech series right here. The front is green, lining on it. You got some blue buckle on the side. These buckle felt like it's aluminum, so, but the handle is plastic. But the aluminum seems like the metal piece. I don't know, maybe it's plastic, but I feel like it's metal. So let's open the buckle. It's pretty easy to latch. So you open this. I don't know if you guys see it. Angle sideways maybe, and then you kind of pull in, just latching it. So pretty simple. Like I said, the only thing I'm worried about is the fitment, because I never have a boot before. This is actually my first boot for dirt bike and stuff like that. So let's try. You know, if I knew it came in yesterday, I could have wear this because I actually went out yesterday. So on the top, you get the Velcro. Sticky. Ooh, wow, very sticky. Let's check this out. So I'm just gonna try this. I will say inside the padding is really good. Got just the right amount, I feel like. Let's put this on. Let's see how it goes. For now, I haven't even locked it in yet. Oh yeah, it feels good. In terms of the size, I think 9 is perfect for me, guys. Yeah, it feels perfect. Obviously, I don't have the socks on, the long socks. But anyway, let's try. Let me try to lock this thing down. Okay, here's the first one. Let's get the second one in. Okay. Number 3. Oh, okay. Oh, the top is gonna be tight, guys. I'll tell you guys now. I don't know if I should do the Velcro first or the strap first. But I will say having some difficulty just getting oh, come on. Okay, it's tight. Ooh. Okay, so the only comments I will make is the top part, the last strap is really hard to put it back to close. I don't know, maybe because of my pants, but yeah. Let's try to flex these. Oh yeah, definitely. Really good flex, guys. I like this. It's very comfortable. Well, I have to say this is my first boots, so I have nothing to compare off of. But I will say, being a first boot, Tech 7, it feels good. I like it. No complaint at this moment. Like I said, the only thing I worry about is the fitment, because I really don't want to return these or go back and forth, especially you buy stuff online. But this turning out to be really good. I have no problem. I don't feel any pain, any pinch on my toe or anything like that. My heels feels pretty good. Now the question is, how long can I ride this for? I mean, how long can I have this on for? Right now, currently I just had it on for maybe a minute. It feels okay right now. I will say I don't have any problem. You guys can see it, you know, overall. Yeah, no complaint. Currently flexing it, trying to lean forward, bending my knee and ankle right now, but it's okay, yeah. Alright guys, so Tech 7, I will say is definitely a good beginner boot or first boot for me. At this moment, I don't see any problem. You definitely don't need time to break it in. I feel like it's pretty good to go. Let me see if I'm sitting. you know, step on it, my brake and stuff like that. Yeah, good. I will definitely need to do an update video on it when I ride it. I'll let you guys know how it feels, but overall, just sitting on it right now, it feels pretty good. I mean, putting my foot in it. Um, yeah, I think it's a good beginner boot right now, first boot. Tech 7. Yeah, I had a great deal from BTO Sports. I'm not sponsored by anybody or by Dan, but I'm just saying the price is definitely really good, guys. I'm planning to get some of those what's called knee guard and elbow pad and chest guard and stuff like that. So most likely I'm gonna check the website up because the holiday is coming and they usually have a lot of sales. When I bought the large one, I was kind of surprised. I never, like I say, this is my first boot. Obviously, this is my first pair of sports dirt bike sports socks, whatever you call it. I definitely didn't expect the lawn to be the length of my whole leg. Look at that, all the way up here. So when I wear this, I probably had to kind of bring this one down halfway, maybe like that. Or I could always just cut it. I don't know, but yeah, this thing is long, guys. Yeah. So, but I could feel this is pretty thick. So it's good quality. For sure, it's gonna keep you warm. That's not any issues. But it's just long. That's all. So it's good for the winter since winter is coming. I'll probably be riding a little bit, but not too much. Definitely not too much in the rain. Yeah, I'm not gonna put the other sides on, but yeah, if I knew that this box was because it came in yesterday morning, I believe, and I bought it in, but I didn't open it, and I went riding. But if I knew the boot was here, I could have just opened it and then used it, and then I could have got you guys an update on it. Yeah, thinking back on it, I know this socks is a little bit thick, so I don't know what happened if I put having this socks on and then wearing it, because right now it feels good, but my socks is pretty low. I have a short one, but having a long socks, I don't know if it's gonna work out, but we'll see. Yeah, like I say, the buckle on top, this is really tight. If you guys whoever have Tech 7, let me know how to do it. Like I say, it's pretty tight. Oh, yeah. Look at that. I can't even barely get the buckle and the latch to come together, but just hard to close it. So maybe it takes some time to break it in or something. Yeah. Oh. Let's take this off. Take all these off. It's okay, yeah. Good fit. I don't know, 9.5 maybe. No, I think 9 is good. In terms of the side, it does not have any stitching. I see it's mostly like glued together from the bottom. It looked like it. I don't see any stitch. So yeah. And then the inside it says size 9. Europe size is 43. Japanese size is 27.5, guys. So yeah. Let's go. Well, anyway, that's all. I just want to quickly show you guys what to expect. Let me put this back on. Yeah. So anyway, thanks for watching. Leave a comments if you guys have this boot before and if you guys like it. And then what's the deal with the socks? Are they normally this long for a large one? Yeah. So I don't know, but anyway, I'll see you guys next time, man.